Welcome on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, guys. In this video I will show how you can uncensor Apple Music on iPhone. So to start, you will need to open the Settings app, then enter the Screen Time category. Next, open the Content and Privacy Restrictions properties, and now you can just switch it off by disabling this toggle. But in case you would like to keep some content and privacy restrictions in place, but separately, while gaining access to the explicit content in the Apple Music, you can just go into the content restrictions here, music, podcasts, news, fitness, and switch its state from clean to explicit. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.